A defining moment unfolded at the military port of Sanya, on China's Hainan Island, in front of more than 2,000 naval officers and shipbuilding engineers. President Xi Jinping personally attended the commissioning ceremony of China's first true supercarrier, the Fujian. This wasn't just another milestone for China's Navy. It was a showcase of national innovation and engineering excellence. At 85,000 tons, equipped with electromagnetic catapults, the Fujian stands as a turning point in carrier aviation. The Fujian is more than a massive ship. It's a technological breakthrough in every sense. Built at Jiangnan Shipyard in Shanghai, this 85,000-ton carrier represents China's first fully homegrown design, marking the nation's transition into true supercarrier territory. Unlike its predecessors, the Liaoning and Shandong, which used ski jump ramps, Fujian employs a catapult-assisted takeoff but arrested recovery (catabar) system. This allows aircraft to launch at higher weights with more fuel and payload, drastically increasing operational range and efficiency. The heart of its innovation lies in its electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMALS, the same cutting-edge technology used by the U.S. Navy's Ford-class carriers. EMALS uses magnetic fields instead of steam pressure to accelerate aircraft smoothly from the deck. This ensures faster launches, reduced wear on airframes, and higher sortie rates, meaning the Fujian can launch more aircraft in less time with greater precision. During the commissioning ceremony, Xi Jinping toured the carrier, inspected key sections including the crew mess hall, and even performed a symbolic press of the catapult control button, a gesture representing China's leap into the future of naval aviation. The event wasn't just ceremonial. It was a powerful message of confidence in domestic engineering and industrial achievement. The Fujian's 3 electromagnetic catapults, 2 aircraft elevators, and vast flat deck allow for simultaneous launch and recovery operations, something no other carrier outside the United States can currently achieve. Its integrated electric propulsion system ensures stable power for the catapults and advanced sensors, while improving efficiency and reducing noise signatures. On deck, the new J-35 stealth fighter, J-15T catapult-ready fighter, and KJ-600 early warning aircraft stood proudly in launch position, a lineup symbolizing the new era of China's carrier aviation. These aircraft were developed specifically for Fujian's launch systems, giving it a distinct advantage in flexibility and coordination. Collectively, these advancements elevate Fujian from a regional carrier to a fully modernized maritime aviation platform. It represents a new generation of smart, high-efficiency carriers capable of continuous, long-range flight operations. The Fujian's launch is more than a technical achievement. It's a strategic declaration. When President Xi Jinping personally attended the commissioning and flag-presenting ceremony in Sanya, Hainan, it underscored the ship's symbolic and political importance. The event was attended by over 2,000 personnel involved in the ship's construction, highlighting it as a national milestone in technological self-reliance and industrial capacity. During the ceremony, Fujian showcased its advanced J-35 stealth fighters and KJ-600 early warning aircraft positioned for catapult launch, a visual demonstration of China's ability to field a fully modernized carrier air wing. The vessel's design allows for 3 parallel runways, enabling simultaneous launch and recovery operations. Analysts note that this gives Fujian a sortie rate nearly triple that of its predecessors, and even approaching that of the U.S. Navy's Gerald R. Ford-class supercarriers. Operationally, Fujian has already conducted multiple sea trials and electromagnetic catapult tests in the East and South China Seas. These tests demonstrated its readiness for high-intensity flight operations, and its maiden transit through the Taiwan Strait in September 2025 marked its debut as an active-duty carrier. Officially home-ported in Sanya, Fujian is positioned at a gateway to the South China Sea, an area central to international trade and maritime logistics. The ship's entry into service represents China's transition from regional coastal defense toward blue water operations, the ability to sustain complex missions across oceans. Combined with modern destroyers, submarines, and replenishment ships, Fujian forms the centerpiece of China's growing carrier strike group capability. More than power projection, this capability supports extended humanitarian, rescue, and maritime research missions, reflecting China's ambition to act as a global maritime stakeholder. Fujian's commissioning is only the beginning of a much larger transformation. Behind the scenes, China is already working on its next-generation supercarriers. These upcoming vessels are expected to exceed 100,000 tons. They will likely feature nuclear propulsion, enabling unlimited operational endurance and sustained high-energy output for next-generation EMALS systems and directed energy technologies. At the same time, China's carrier aviation ecosystem continues to evolve. The J-35 stealth fighter is expected to become fully operational by 2026, featuring advanced radar-absorbent materials and sensor fusion capabilities similar to those of the F-35C. The KJ-600 airborne early warning aircraft will form the information backbone of carrier operations, extending detection range and coordinating multiple squadrons simultaneously. This triad, J-35, J-15T, and KJ-600, transforms Fujian from a single platform into an integrated airborne command and control network. Training and logistics are also accelerating. China has expanded its naval aviation training centers, including full-scale deck simulation facilities, allowing crews to gain experience before deploying to Fujian. Engineers are testing automated deck handling systems that coordinate aircraft movement, fueling, and maintenance more efficiently than traditional manual systems. These improvements ensure the carrier's operations can sustain high tempo without overloading human crews, a hallmark of modern automation and fleet management. Looking further ahead, Fujian's EMALS opens the door to new possibilities. Uncrewed carrier-launched aircraft, long-range stealth drones, and even airborne surveillance or refueling systems that require powerful, smooth launches. Such flexibility positions China's Navy to explore concepts that only a handful of nations can attempt. In practical terms, Fujian also serves as a test bed for integration between sea-based aviation and space-based reconnaissance networks. By combining satellite data, radar coverage, and AI-driven analysis, the carrier could one day coordinate with orbiting assets for wide-area maritime awareness. The Fujian isn't just a ship, it's a statement of progress, innovation, and ambition. With advanced electromagnetic systems, stealth aircraft, and a sophisticated command structure, it places China among the few nations capable of operating true supercarriers. Its commissioning marks the start of a new chapter in naval aviation and global maritime technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.